today's video. Today I'm going to talk about one vitamin C serum which I am using for 10 or 15 days and which is containing hyaluronic acid. I know these days everybody is talking about serums, so I thought why don't I share my opinion with all of you with this particular serum. So if you wish to know more, just keep on watching. Let me tell you this, that I am not wearing any makeup. As you can see, this is my bare face and I must be looking very horrible because of my hair, and I haven't put anything on my face whatever. I don't know, my face is glowing or it is looking dull, but I thought of just sitting down like this and filming this video. I was not in a mood of putting makeup, then filming this video again, take the makeup off and show you the application. So I thought why not just sit down and just have a little chit chat with all of you. That is also something. By the way, this is my face where I am not wearing anything. There is no makeup, as you can see, and if you don't believe, one second, so I am just showing it to you in case you have any doubts. There is nothing inside on my face, so and I was not ready for this video, so this is it. If you can see anything that might be dirt in the house also, I just put rose water. By the way, this is Kama Ayurveda's rose water. Whatever I am showing in this video, I'll put the links down below. So in my house also, I just sprayed a little bit of rose water. You will find that something is coming out from your face. By the way, so I am not wearing anything on my face. I just wanted to make sure that you understand this. This is how I received the product from Amazon. This is the outer packaging. As you can see, it is written over here, vitamin C serum plus hyaluronic acid, and one more thing is something is there, that is ferulic acid is written over here. Now the shelf life of this product is of 2 years and the price that you have to pay is rupees 599. I have a slight doubt. I think I didn't pay rupees 599 because I bought it at least 20-25 days ago. I can't remember the exact price. I'll put the link down below, so if you wish to know more, just click on the link to check out the price. So this is the Eon serum. This is how the bottle looks like. Have a closer look. You will be getting 15 ml of product in this. Let's talk about vitamin C. Vitamin C is an antioxidant. It's a very popular antioxidant which gives you a very glowing and youthful skin, and it forms collagen also. It provides elasticity on your face and you look ever young. Let's talk about hyaluronic acid in case someone over there doesn't know about it. Hyaluronic acid provides your skin a lot of hydration. As we age, our skin cries for moisture, and that has to be stopped, right? Because if our skin dries up, that's the time when wrinkles and fine lines that shows up. So if you use hyaluronic acid in your skincare regime, the appearance of the fine lines and wrinkle, it reduces. And if your age is of 25 and above, that's the time you should start using all these products, because it is going to take care of your skin a lot. I really like the packaging of this serum. As you can see, there is a small little cap over here. You have to open it and then you have to use it. And the fragrance which you will get in this serum is just amazing. It is just amazing. No words are there to define a fragrance like this. I have used lot of fragrances, lot of moisturizers, lot of cream, body mist, so many things I use. Actually, you also might be using, but the fragrance which you are going to get over here, I can assure you, normally you will never get anywhere else. Such a nice smell it is having. I use it twice a day. Once after having a bath in the afternoon time and once before going to bed, followed by a moisturizer, because after I use it, one thing is very visible, the instant glow, and the next thing which I really feel that my skin is pulling, means my skin is very dry. So this is not something which it can happen to you also, because my skin is very dry, so I just get this pull on my face and I use moisturizer. You might not get this feeling if you are having normal to oily type of skin, I think so. I can't assure you about that, because my face is dry. I think that it is pulling, so I just put little bit of moisturizer. So this is how I use this serum. And I personally believe that after you use a serum, it's better to be indoors, means stay in the house only, and if you're going out, then you please put a sunscreen and then use the serum and then go out. I think prevention is better than cure. So guys, let's see the application. Here's the product, and this is the consistency. As you can see, it is not very thick and it's not very runny. It's not going to sit on your skin. Fragrance is to die for, let me tell you this. If you buy this, you will understand. I put one pump over here and one pump on this side. So yeah, it just does the job. And this is how my skin is looking. It gets absorbed very quickly on your skin, and if you have a oily or combination type of skin, I don't think you're going to face too much of dryness, but definitely put a moisturizer after this to get the maximum benefits. So this is it. I don't know whether you find that my skin is glowing or not, but this is the effect which I get after using it, and yeah, I am quite satisfied with it. Guys, if you have liked this video, please leave a like and do subscribe to my channel. Now and then I upload videos. I will not say every day I upload videos, but whatever I upload, I try to share my honest review in this video. Also, I have talked about the pros and cons which I face using this where it's called using this serum. So yeah, until my next video comes, stay happy, stay blessed, tata, God bless.